Imagine getting a pot of 50,000 and it's not your shade. This went from 5,000 to 55 to 65, so it is currently 7,000 Buhari Naira. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Bash. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, hi guys, hi girls, hi babes, how are you all doing? So today's video is a beauty video. Today is Beauty Wednesday. So today's video, I'm going to teach you makeup products that you need as a beginner. These are like the thing you must have, you must have in your makeup kit as a beginner. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. As a beginner, the first thing you need is a moisturizer. You need a very good moisturizer. I have Moist Essence with me here. Whatever moisturizer that is good for your skin type, for oily skin, for dry skin, for combination skin, you need a moisturizer because your makeup needs something to grip onto. It needs something to hold onto. The second thing that you need is a primer. Guys, primer cannot be overemphasized. Like, primer is important. You need a primer for your base to be perfect, for your makeup to come out looking flawless. It can be any primer. I have the Blossom Get a Grip primer. Then after your primer, you need a very good foundation. There are so many affordable foundations in the market, Nigerian brands even. I have Zikel here with me. I have V Beauty. There are a lot. This is, I think, 4,500 or 5,000. There are a lot of very good, nice, affordable foundation you need to get as a beginner, because you know, as a beginner, you're doing like a lot of testing, right? You're doing a lot of check and see if this works for me, if it doesn't work for me. So you don't even need something expensive to try out. Then as you build your skill, you can also expand. After your foundation, you would need a very good concealer. I have the Younger Beauty concealer. This went from 5,000 to 55 to 65, so it is currently 7,000 Buhari Naira. And then the LA Girl concealer. This concealer is still good. It is still getting the job done. You either get this or you get this, or you get the Nuban Beauty. This is Nuban Beauty, very good. This is LA Girl, this is Zikel, this is Zaron, and this is Younger Beauty. All these are affordable concealers, and they are. After your concealer, you need a setting powder, because you know, when you've concealed and highlighted under your eyes, you need something to set that concealer in place, and your compact powder, it can't do the job. So you need a setting powder. You can get the Nuban Beauty setting. There are a lot of affordable setting powders. After your setting powder, you need a compact powder to set all over your face. This is the Nuban Mineral Finishing Powder. I would advise you to get a powder palette, because this powder palette has a lot of shades. It has the shade for your contour, it has the shade for your highlights, it has the shade for your entire face. Like, this is like one size fits all. There are smaller ones actually. You can also use this as your, you know, eyeshadow. Instead of getting just one and then you get another one for your contour, another one for your highlights, that's a lot. Just get one powder palette that has every single color that you can mix to achieve a lot of things. I think this is better. Then after your powder, you need a highlight, you know, to blind your enemies. So this is the Nuban Beauty The Glow highlighter. After highlights, you need something to do your brows. You either get a pencil or you get a gel liner. This is the black and this is the brown, whichever one that works for you. Then after that, you need a blush palette. I have the CPD blush palette, and the sweet thing about this blush palette is that you can also use it as you're transitioning. Blush adds color to your face, so you need a little bit of blush to, like, you know, make your skin pop. And after that, you need a mascara, eyeliner, and this is the Miracle Charcoal Pencil for under your eyes. You need them to, like, you know, even if you don't have false lashes on and then you just use mascara, it's going to like make your lashes more prominent and more elongated. But then if you have this gel liner, you can use this black both for under your eyes and to create your wings. Works perfectly fine. The next one you need is a lip gloss. If you're going for like a neutral glam, you can use any of these lip glosses and then you top it up with, you know, the absolute OG gloss. The next on my list is setting sprays. Guys, setting spray is a must. You need something to make all those powders, to make them look skin like, skin finish, melt, whichever you want to describe it with. And I have the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray, and this is their green tea spray. And I also have the Zaron Perfect Finish, and there is also the Flawless IV Hydrating Mist. All these setting sprays, they are not expensive, they are very much affordable. And then when you're done setting your face, the last thing you would want to do is to seal it, and that is why you need the So Pro Finishing Spray. There is a smaller one of 9,950 thereabouts. This is the big bottle. This is going to seal your makeup. It goes nowhere. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you're able to learn something. You don't even need to break the bank for you to look good. That's the honest truth. So long as you're buying products for yourself, you're trying it on yourself, you just need to like keep testing a lot of products to know what works for you. Imagine getting a pot of 50,000 and it's not your shade. Where are you gonna start? So all these are affordable products that is going to make your makeup look. So thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.